everyone, today I'm gonna talk about how to use a guitar amp. For this video I'm gonna use one of my amps, which is PV Classic 30. So I use this amp to do small to medium size type of gigs. So let's go to the amp. So this amplifier is a PV Classic 30. So this particular amp has two channels. One is clean, and then the second channel is overdrive channel, or you can call it distortion if you like, but it is overdrive. Some amps have very clear writing there that says clean and drive, but for some reason PV like using the words pre and post, which basically this one is a normal like clean sound. So that's clean. And this one, when you press here, you change to the dirty channel or overdrive channel. So the pre is really the drive channel. So if you turn this clockwise, it will increase the amount of drive. If you go like this, see, that's, so this is the drive. As you go to the right, the sound break more and more and more, and then sounds more and more distorted. And the post means the level of that channel, the driven channel. If you turn it up clockwise, then it will be louder and louder. This is the reverb, the level of the reverb. So this is no reverb at all. Let me put it in clean channel so you can hear it better. So that's just totally clean with no reverb. And now this has a reverb. See, so this is like being in a big hall. I normally only use about 2 or 2.5, something like that. So if you play outdoor, normally you can use a little bit more reverb, but if you play in a room or in a hall, normally the room itself already has some reverb kind of effect. So now, in terms of using bass, middle and treble, that is just a matter of taste. Of course, the more you turn the bass level to the right, the more bassy it gets. So this is not bassy at all. Now it gets more and more bassy. So this is the mid-range level. And this one is the level for the treble. So this is no treble. And this one is higher. So the high frequency. For this amp, I normally have bass just a little bit more than half. But really there is no rules. So the best place to start would be just 12 o'clock. And then you can adjust it from there. But every amp have different sensitivity. Some more bassy than others and some more trebly than others. But basically you can start from there. Put everything at 12 o'clock, reverb about 2 or 3, and then see how you go from there. So I only use this amp for the clean channel, and I use overdrive pedals and distortion pedal because I like the sound of the clean channel of this amp, but I don't like the overdrive channel of this amp. I don't think it's good at all. But the clean channel is brilliant. So like most of tube amps, this amp has on and off switch as well as standby switch. So the on and off switch is to turn it on and off completely, and the standby switch is to put it on standby mode and play mode. So if you are doing a gig and then you're having a break, you can always keep the amp on but put it on standby mode. So basically like putting the amp on a rest mode. Then when you're ready to play again, you can switch it back on like that. Now before you power off the amp, you should also switch it to standby mode first. Then you can power off. Because if you keep it on and then straight away power off, it will make that ugly popping noise that is not very good for the tube and the speaker. So the best way to do it is switch it to standby mode and then power off. There are so many different brands of guitar amps. There is Orange, there is Marshall, there's Mesa Boogie, there's Rivera, there is Black Star and everything like that, and Fender. You can choose whatever you like, but basically they all do pretty much the same thing. There are amps that only have one channel, that means clean only, and then if you want to have overdrive sound or distortion, you have to use effect pedals. And there are amps that have 2 channels and 3 channels, and Marshall also makes 1 channel amps as well as 2 and 3, even 4 channels. I personally like 2 channel amps. So that's basically it. If you have any question, you can always ask in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. I will see you in the next video.